In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Xbox Game Pass Ultimate on Amazon. By the end, you'll confidently purchase a digital membership and know exactly what to look for so you get the right plan for your region and device. Start by opening your browser and heading to Amazon.com. If you prefer the Amazon app, that works too. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to use for the purchase so checkout is smooth and your digital items are saved to the right place. In the search bar at the top, type Xbox Game Pass Ultimate and hit enter. You'll see several results. Look for the listing that specifically says Xbox Game Pass Ultimate and shows the duration you want, such as 1 month or 3 months. For a fast online delivery, pick the version labeled Digital Code. That means you won't receive anything by mail. Instead, the code will be delivered electronically. Click the product you want to open its detail page. Take a moment to double check the region since digital codes are often country specific. Confirm it's for your country and that it's the ultimate plan, not a standard console or PC only plan. It's also a good idea to glance at the seller information and reviews to ensure you're buying from a reputable source. When everything looks right, click Add to Cart. When the cart confirmation appears, go to your cart and choose Proceed to Checkout. For digital items, you won't see shipping options, but you will see where your digital code will be delivered. Amazon typically sends the code to your email and stores it in your games and software library, which you can find in your account after purchase. Next, select your payment method. You can use a debit or credit card, a gift card balance, or any saved payment option on your account. Make sure your billing address matches your payment method. If you have a promotional credit or gift card, apply it here to reduce the total. Finally, review your order summary to confirm the product duration, price, and delivery method. Then place your order to buy it. Digital codes usually arrive within minutes, but in some cases, it can take a little longer for verification. Keep an eye on your email and, if needed, check your games and software library in your Amazon account. That's it. You've purchased Xbox Game Pass Ultimate on Amazon, and you're ready to enjoy access to a vast library of games and member perks. If this was helpful, follow the same approach anytime you need a fast, secure digital purchase.